Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to everyone. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Shukriya and today I am demonstrating my production-ready LLM microservices. I built this using FastAPI and Docker. The goal was to serve a GPT-2 model securely and efficiently. My VS Code folder. I followed several MLOps best practices here. First, I used a SQL for model loading, so the model only once. And second, I have implemented the lazy loading, means the model does not sit in memory until the first request hits the server. Current request, so the API does freeze when multiple people use it. And my main.py here output test validate API key and API key head. Here I have imported the packages like the FastAPI, HTTP execution depends as well as status, Docker image. So I have Docker. So this is my Docker image where LLM server, service and LLM name. Docker container. So present the Docker container is running successfully. I deployed is fully. One, build the dependency using the build essential, and stage 2 is the final production image using Python 3.10 sleep. This is my Dockerfile. Optimizes the size by using the touch/CPU, a full GPU version, keeping our image around 1.53 GB. Security is a priority. I used the API key stored in .env file. The service validates the XAPI key header for every generation request. No secrets are hard-coded in the source code. You can see this in the Docker compose YAML. And this is .env.example where I can generate this and the captain in the .env file which need not to be shown to the required attention to run our project. So let me show my command. This is the first command. First, I have entered this current. You will see the invalid or missing API key. This ensures the security to our created API. And next, we have implemented the lazy logic so that it takes some time to give the output. Because it needs to load the GPP model. You can see that GPP model loaded over here. And this is the Docker images where you can see the size of the Docker. And I will show you my Docker. This is the Docker in which you can see that the T2 is loaded in order to give the respond to that code, and I have used the test underscore API.py in which you can see send request test as well as test health generate fail and generate success concurrency. Here it shows a stable server. MD5 in which the commands what I have used is I kept here. It shows a 200 success and it will shows the security. In this particular shows the lazy implementation. It will load the